What if you're able to not just say 15%, but 20, 25, or 30%? That might be possible with this one simple trick. Hey folks, Ryan here with Coupon Cove. I'm guessing you're here because you're sick and tired of looking for coupon codes in an effort to save some money on your online purchase, only to find out the promo code doesn't even work. Well, we want to fix that. This is a guide to give you all the tips and tricks we've learned from years of collecting, validating, and redeeming coupon codes thousands and thousands of times. You'll learn what kinds of codes to look for, how to find the best promo code, find ones that are safe to use, and you'll even learn the trick to stacking multiple coupon codes to save even more money. We've compiled the guide based on the most frequent questions we get asked all the time. If all that sounds good, then keep watching. Are promo codes legit or a scam? Now, this is a twofold question. Are they legit in terms of do they work? Well, if they work on the retailer's website and save you money, then absolutely they work. There are a few reasons why they may not actually work on the website. We'll cover them here in this guide. So keep watching if you're wondering what those reasons are. Beyond that, are they legit in terms of are they safe? Now, we've never seen how adding a random group of letters and numbers to a checkout page would compromise your system. That said, make sure your computer malware and spam protection is always up to date. This helps protect you from websites that may give your device a virus or other malware. You also should never have to give someone your credit card number in order to get a discount code. Just use common sense. Don't do that. We're not IT security experts, so that's all we'll say about that part. It's pretty simple. Did the code work when you plugged it in? If yes, then it's legit. How do you find a valid coupon code? It happens to the best of us. You're researching the product that you want to buy online. You look at reviews, watch YouTube videos, compare prices from different online retailers. Is it cheaper on Amazon? Who has the best return policy? And then you make your decision to purchase the product. You add your product to cart and go to checkout to see this window right here. Oh shoot, you forgot to look for the promo code. No sweat. You hop over on Google, search for promo codes from that store, and click on the first listing you see. Aha, you got it. Copy the code, head back over to the checkout page, only to find the error message. This is not a valid discount code. The code didn't work. It's so frustrating and it happens all the time. So what do? How do you find a promo code that actually works? Where are all the working promo codes? Every coupon site out there claims their promo code works, but we've all been there. The vast majority of the time, the code does not work. So what gives? Now, we see two main reasons for this. One possibility is reasonable. The other one is, well, quite sketchy. The more reasonable reason, it's extremely difficult to keep up to date on every single coupon code for every single online shop in the whole world. This is honestly the most charitable and generous explanation. It's just simply impossible to manually check every single coupon every single day for every single store. So at one time, the promo code most likely worked, but now it doesn't. And the editorial staff of that particular coupon site hasn't updated it yet. Just try the next code and hopefully you'll be more lucky. Now, the more sketchy reason. Here's where things get a little bit more distorted. If the coupon site gets you to click on their code before you make the purchase, they earn a commission from the online store. Now, here's the kicker. They earn that commission regardless of if the discount code worked for you or not. As a result, it's pretty easy for coupon sites to just make up a promo code with a big discount amount and get you to click it. Yes, I said make up the code. Some codes are straight up made up. They never existed and they never will. As long as they've made their money, they don't care if it actually helped you or not. What a terrible shame. So what's the way around this? There's really no way for you to know which code works and which doesn't without you trying them. Fortunately for you, it only takes a few seconds to copy and paste. And there are even plugins now that theoretically automate this. Coupon Cove tries to be different. We have accepted the fact that it takes a real human being to actually check and validate a code and ensure that it's the greatest possible discount for you. That's why our editorial team, myself included, goes through all our major stores on our website and manually checks our promo codes at least once a month. This way, if you're looking for a major retailer on our website, chances are our codes that are marked number 1, they actually work. So give it a shot, and if you find a code that actually works, you'll even save some money doing it. So how do you redeem a coupon code? Once you find the coupon code, most online stores have a discount code window in their checkout page. If the store is built on the Shopify platform, then there will be a place to paste your coupon code in the checkout page. It usually looks something like this. They all look the same if they're built on Shopify. Now, if the store is built on the WooCommerce platform, then there will be a place for you to paste your promo code, either at the shopping cart page and possibly the checkout page. Sometimes it's one, sometimes it's the other. Now, there's a few exceptions to this. Every so often, an online store won't have the discount code window available on the checkout page, which is kind of weird, but it happens. And if it does, chances are the window is instead located on the shopping cart page only, like this one or this one. But these are more rare. The vast majority of the time, retailers allow you to add a promo code in the shopping cart and or the checkout page. So how to apply your discount code at checkout? Once you find the spot where they accept the coupon codes, all you have to do is paste yours in. If there's an error with the code, you'll get a red error message that reads, "Enter a valid code or gift card." This kind of error means that the code you're pasting in is either expired or it never existed. If the code didn't work, it's also possible that your code has a minimum order requirement or it only works with certain products in the store. If that were to be the case, you would see a yellow error message that reads, "Discount code isn't valid for the items in your cart." So if that's the case, you just got to find the items that are required in order for the code to work. Now, if the code does work, you'll see everything will change on the page. You'll see the total shopping cart value decrease, a little tag will show the discount amount. If you see the screenshot like that, congratulations, you actually found a code that works and you saved money. How to hack coupon codes. Are you having trouble finding a coupon code that actually works? There are a few tips and tricks that you can use to try to hack the online retailer's coupon codes. Coupon hack number 1, email and SMS sign up coupon codes. The first thing to look for is a place to sign up to the retailer's email list or the SMS list. Usually they will offer a discount code in exchange for signing up to their list. Now this is a fairly common practice, so just be on the lookout. Coupon hack number 2, it's retargeting discount codes. Especially if you've signed up for their email list, shop around on the website, add the items to the cart, and go to checkout. But don't purchase the product. Add all your customer info and don't purchase. Close your window and wait a day or two. Keep an eye out on your email and text messages. Chances are the retailer emailed you or texted you special discounts for the exact products. It's called retargeting and it's fairly common practice. You can even keep on the lookout for banner ads, YouTube ads, and other display advertising to see if they retarget you with the special offer. Coupon hack number 3, use Google search to reveal discount code pages directly from the retailer. Google search allows you to look for specific content that may be contained within an individual website. To do this, simply type into the Google search bar the following prompt: site, the domain, and then space, discount code. Google will then show you any pages within that brand's website that may contain content regarding discount codes. If the online retailer has a page dedicated to listing out their coupon codes, it will show up on those Google search results. Google hack number 4, use discount websites. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but since we're talking about discount websites, I gotta plug Coupon Cove. We work really hard to keep our coupon codes up to date to make sure you always find the best promo code available, and it actually works. So give a search on our homepage and hopefully you'll find the right code that works for you. Coupon hack number 5, guess the promo code. We have found and tested thousands of coupon codes over the last several years. So we've seen some consistency with how brands often name their coupon codes. Sometimes promo codes will be the true one-off codes like EITG4J67350 exclamation point, something that's not memorable. Usually these indecipherable codes are the one-time use codes that are provided by an email or text message offer. Those are not promo codes that we're talking about here. Brands will often have discount codes that we would call evergreen coupons. Evergreen promo codes are those that the brand has running on an ongoing basis. Usually they look like this. It's either save 10, hello, welcome, fall 25 for the fall season and 25% off. You get the picture? So we actually analyzed all 5,000 coupon codes that we have on our website as of the making of this video. And here's what we found. The most popular coupon codes contain the following words: welcome, save, and new. These codes were used by either themselves or in combination with the number of the amount percentage. So welcome 15, save 20, new 30, etc. What's awesome about this is that even if you can't find a current promo code, sometimes you can guess the code and potentially discover one. So refer back to this list and try out the top promo codes. Who knows? Maybe one of these will actually work for you. Coupon hack number 6, reverse engineer promo codes for an even better discount. Let's say you're already found a working promo code for 15% off and the code is welcome15. That's great. You can go ahead and make your purchase. Or you don't do that. What if you're able to not just say 15%, but 20, 25, or 30%? That might be possible with this one simple trick. Now, you've already found that welcome 15 works for you. What this means is that we already know the brand's coupon code naming convention is welcome plus the number of the percent discount. So you just potentially reverse engineered an even better discount code. What if welcome 20 works? What about welcome 25 or even welcome 30? There's a chance that those altered coupon codes might actually work. So try it out. You may even save even more money. How to find secret flash sales. Have you ever noticed that sometimes you can be so caught up in a particular product that you're shopping for that you don't even notice the massive sale that the online shop is having? That's happened to me before. The reality is that most online shops are regularly running what we call flash sales. Sometimes it's their clearance items, sometimes it's for the latest season or holiday that's coming up, and the discounts can be pretty huge, 60% or more. So how do we find the flash sale? For places like Amazon, they literally have entire sections on their website dedicated to the latest flash sale or products that have coupons available to clip. And smaller online retailers are often similar. They will have holiday or season-specific holiday pages, or they will often have clearance pages like this one. How to find a holiday page. Brands' holiday pages are typically showing on their homepage or on a banner page showing at the top. How to find a clearance page. The first place to look is the most obvious, the website's main menu. And if there's nothing there, the next spot to check is the footer of the website. Sometimes the page is not showing on either the main or the footer menus. So what do? Here's the trick. Go back to Google. Search for that site:storedomain.com sale. Sometimes there are old sale pages that aren't technically current, but may still have some cool discounted prices. How to get even bigger discounts by stacking coupon codes. This is a more rare scenario. A lot of the online retailers set up their promo codes to only accept one discount. However, there are a few cases where codes and discounts are actually stackable. Some retailers allow for coupons to stack. It's funny. For this particular retailer, the codes actually only stack in a particular order. Lesson being, play around with it and you may come across 2 or even more codes that work in tandem. Seasonal flash sales and discount codes. Oftentimes, brands will allow you to stack a coupon code on top of the sale discount. You can get the flash sale discount and then take off an even bigger discount with the coupon code. Sometimes brands do exclude sale items from coupon code redemptions, but it doesn't hurt to try. So we say stack away and save even more on your purchase. We hope you found this guide to be helpful in all things related to coupon codes. We've spent years collecting, validating, and adding promo codes for thousands of online shops, and our goal is to help you get a discount the first time. If you're looking for help in this matter, feel free to check back often on our website or the YouTube channel. We have thousands of online promo codes from hundreds of top brands. What do you think? Are there any other ways of finding coupon codes that we didn't cover in this video? Let us know in the comments. Take care.